Hey guys, it's Danebo here. First of all, happy Easter. Now I know I usually don't get in front of the camera to do my videos, but this time I wanted to do something a little bit different. So, to celebrate Easter, we're gonna put a Peep in a microwave. But not just any microwave. See this microwave right here? We've converted it from a 1,000-watt microwave to a 100,000-watt microwave. Now I haven't tried putting one of these in there yet, so I have no idea what's gonna happen. You're gonna find out at the same time I do, so let's go check it out. Alright. Here's our cute little Peep on a plate. Not gonna be cute for too much longer. Let's go. Oh crap, I can't see anything. I gotta turn the light off. Oh my god! What the hell is that? Oh, I'm out of here. Whoa, what the hell is that? Oh my god! Run! Oh, it's growing! What is that? Oh god, I hate Easter! No! Gigantic! Oh my god!